Top 4 Best Cordless Table Saws. Number 4. Milwaukee Electric Tools 2736-1 HD Table Saw Tool. Milwaukee 2736-1 HD is a cordless powerhouse designed for the professional contractor who demands high performance and long-lasting durability. Powered by Milwaukee's M18 Red Lithium High-Output HD 12.0 battery, this table saw runs 50% cooler and delivers 50% more power than standard lithium battery packs, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks. Its superior battery pack construction also ensures it can withstand the harsh conditions of any job site. The power of the 2736-1 HD rivals that of a corded 15-amp circular saw, generating 6,300 RPM for fast and efficient cutting. The 24.5-inch rip capacity allows it to handle large sheet goods with ease. Like its one-key counterpart, this model also features the same rack and pinion fence system for accuracy and quick adjustments. Additionally, the RedLink Plus intelligence system is included to ensure optimal performance and prevent overheating or overloading during heavy use. One of the standout features is its onboard storage, which ensures that all accessories like the push stick, blade guard, and riving knife are conveniently stored within reach. Its all-metal frame further enhances durability, making this model a true workhorse for the job site. Coming in number 3, Milwaukee 2736-20M18 Fuel 1 Key. Milwaukee's 2736-20M18 is a beast when it comes to cordless performance. It offers the power of a 15-amp corded saw, coupled with the flexibility of a cordless setup. With a rip capacity of 24.5 inch, it matches up with the DeWalt models in terms of handling large materials like plywood or OSB. But where Milwaukee stands out is its integration of one-key technology. This feature allows you to wirelessly connect the saw to a smart device, enabling you to track its location, manage tool performance, and even lock it remotely to prevent theft. The smart tracking works within a 100-foot range of your device, making it incredibly convenient for contractors with multiple job sites. Additionally, the saw features a power-state brushless motor, which is specifically designed to deliver corded performance from a cordless tool. Milwaukee's RedLink Plus intelligence system also ensures optimal performance by providing overload protection to prevent damage from heavy use. This system keeps the tool and battery from overheating, making it more reliable and durable over time. The 2736-20 offers an impressive 600 linear feet of cutting per charge, and its rack and pinion fence system allows for precise cuts with easy adjustments. Overall, this model is tailored for contractors who need power, portability, and advanced technology in their tools. Coming in number 2, DeWalt DCS7485B Flexvolt 60-volt max table saw. If you're already in the DeWalt ecosystem and don't need an additional battery, the DCS7485B bare tool version offers the same Flexvolt technology and features as the DCS7485T1. You get the same exceptional 24 inches rip capacity, rack and pinion fence system, and no load speed of 5800 RPM, all without the battery and charger. This saw is also equipped with DeWalt's power loss reset feature, preventing accidental restarts after power interruptions. Its metal roll cage base ensures long-lasting durability, while the onboard storage provides a handy place for all the accessories like the push stick, blade guard, rip fence, and more. Just like the T1 version, the DCS7485B delivers professional-grade performance without the hassle of cords. It's perfect for anyone who already owns a Flexvolt battery and charger and wants to expand their DeWalt collection with a robust, cordless table saw. Coming in number 1. DeWalt DCS7485T1 Flexvolt 60-volt max table saw. This DeWalt model is a true game-changer in the cordless table saw market. With its Flexvolt T technology, the saw operates on the world's first battery that can automatically adjust voltage based on the tool being used. You can switch between 20-volt max and 60-volt max tools effortlessly, providing flexibility and power in one system. Not only does the Flexvolt battery offer up to 4 times the runtime of regular batteries when used with DeWalt's 20-volt max tools, but it also provides the performance of a corded saw with the freedom of cordless. With a 24 inches rip capacity, this saw is designed for professionals who need to cut through large materials like 4x8 plywood or OSB sheets with ease. Its rack and pinion telescoping fence rails allow for smooth and precise adjustments, ensuring accuracy for every cut. The table coating helps reduce friction, making each cut even smoother. What really sets this saw apart is its attention to safety and durability. The metal roll cage base ensures superior durability compared to plastic alternatives, and the power loss reset feature is a thoughtful addition that prevents accidental restarts after a power disruption. This makes the DCS7485T1 a great choice for contractors who work in varying job site conditions. Adjustable rear feet keep the saw level on uneven surfaces, while onboard storage keeps essential tools like the fence, push stick, riving knife, and wrenches close by.